T01 Changfeng Edition, a new model developed through the deep cooperation between the 212 brand, one of the most historical and influential off-road vehicle brands in China, and Yunliang Off-Road, was officially introduced at this year's Guangzhou Auto. The T01 Changfeng inherits the classic one arch, two circles, three horizontal and four vertical design concept of the 212 brand in terms of appearance, and also integrates the consistent design philosophy of Yunliang Off-Road of high profile but not ostentatious low. The body is based on the shape of a rigid square box. The square trunk lid and square glass reflect the rounded curves of the grille, front bumper corners and wheel eyebrows, forming a unique square and round design language. T01 Changfeng also breaks through the color limitations of traditional domestic off-road vehicles, innovatively adding a dazzling Changfeng blue body and a white roof, which not only enhances the recognition of the vehicle, but also maintains the tough temperament of the vehicle. Traditional off-road vehicles. The perfect combination of nostalgic elements and modern style brings a unique visual experience. One of the most important features of 212 T01 Changfeng is the highly professional original factory modification and upgrade. In-depth cooperation with Yunliang Off-Road has ensured that this model is carefully polished in terms of equipment. The whole vehicle has more than 200 upgrades, such as front and rear competition bars, waterproof hoses, 285/70 are 17 large-size all-terrain tires and other high-performance accessories. The original factory standard configuration. In their invisible place, 212 T01 Changfeng has also carried out targeted strengthening. For example, the suspension part adopts a fine-tuned 1.5-inch upgraded long-travel nitrogen shock absorber, which can effectively cope with the impact of off-road conditions. In addition, the 212 T01 Changfeng has also been upgraded with peripheral accessories such as the front axle, arms, differential gear ratio, etc. Each part has been precisely designed and tested to ensure that it has stronger off-road capabilities and excellent stability. With its powerful 2.0 T+8 at power system, fully optimized chassis suspension, and efficient and stable four-wheel drive system, the 212 T01 Changfeng has undergone rigorous field tests before mass production, including deserts, gobies, rocks, snowy mountains and other harsh environments. With its front and rear driving system and two mechanical differential locks, the 212 T01 Changfeng can easily cope with various complex road conditions and truly meet the three full standards for all weather conditions, all fields and all terrains. On December 19 and 20, 2024, the 212 T01 Changfeng successfully held a field test drive event at Yunliang Xianghe Off-Road Base, providing an in-depth understanding of the performance of the T01 Changfeng for all walks of life. The test drive route includes typical off-road events such as cross-axis obstacles, high-speed jumps and wide-angle climbs, fully demonstrating its excellent off-road capabilities. After the event, participants from all walks of life showed that the vehicle performed well in terms of stability and controllability in complex terrain, as well as smoothness in passing difficult obstacles, and was ahead of its peers in many performance indicators. The launch of the 212 T01 Changfeng not only continues the 212's tough off-road lineage, but also